Hello, I'm Mitch Ellis with Augustine Power Washing, St. Augustine, Florida. Man, what a great day to clean this roof. This here is Neil. Neil's the real deal. He's going to get up there and he's going to wash the roof, and it's going to look like brand new when it's done. So we're going to be showing you some aerial before and after pictures with our handy dandy drone. And sit back and enjoy the show, and we'll be right back with you. Wow, I tell you what, are we king of the tiles or what? I mean, look at this. This thing went from black to a nice light orange tile roof. We do a great job. So if you want your tile roof looking like new, give us a call. I'm Mitch Ellis with Augustine Power Washing, St. Augustine, Florida.